Hey guys, welcome back. Do you want to create this amazing animated slide video where the segments in the video are moving to the right and then every segments reveal something? I won't be gatekeeping here, so let's start creating one. We'll be using Canva. First, click on video and then click on video 1080p and then create some rectangles. 5 rectangles of the same size. Go to elements and then head over to shapes, click on the square shape, and then let's say if you want to, color it pink, copy and paste this, and then let's say if you want to color this turquoise, copy and paste it again, and then let's say if you want to color this orange, copy and paste this. Let's say if you want to color this blue, and then copy and paste this. Let's say if you want to color it purple, just like this. And then let's just make this size equal. Select them all, drag it just like this, and then let's add some elements. Go to design. But first, let's add some labels for the rectangles, for the segments. Go to text, add a heading, and then let's say if we name it A, B, C, D, and E. So let's choose a font, for example. Shorthand will do. Make it larger, just like this. And then let's say if we want to place it here, make the color of the text white, and then copy and paste this several times. It's Control C, Control V, and then name it B. Control V. Hold on. Control V. Place it here. Name it C. Control V again. Name it D. Control V. And then name it E. Just like this. And then let's add some icons. For example, you want to head over to graphics, and then click on this one, and then let's say if you want to, let's say, insert this one, for example, and then let's color it white, for example. And then we add this icon, for example, and then color it white, just like this. Looking good so far. And then close it, and then let's say if you want to have this one, color it white again. Place it here. Close it, and then let's say if you want to have, hold on, go back, and then let's look for icons. This will do. Color it white. Resize it for the 4th segment, just like this. Close it, and then lastly, you want to add this one, and then color it white, and then you resize it, and then yeah, there you go. Fancy, isn't it? And then all we have to do now is to add some more text. Click on text, click on add a little bit of body text, and then let's say if you want to type lorem ipsum dolor sit amet, just like this. Put it to the center, copy and paste this, and put it to the center again. Copy and paste this. Put it on the segments that you've created. And then afterwards, we're going to animate all of the segments, alright? So after you've done this, all we have to do is to actually, okay, this is fine. All we have to do is to, export each of the segments into a PNG image file. So to do this, let's start with the first segment. Delete all of them, share, and then download, and then change the file type into PNG. Enable transparent background, which is only available for Canva Pro users. For non-Canva Pro users, you can always rely on any background remover website. And then click on download when you're done for the first segment. Do this for the other segments as well. Don't forget to extend the the size of the of the rectangle, and then you do the same thing. Alright, when you're done, let's create the background, and then the left area will be filled with the segments, which will then be animated. I'll show you the trick so that every segment moves to the right, just like what's shown in the beginning of the video. So I'll go to uploads, and then go to upload files, and then let's add this logo of tongue tips, for example, and then let's color the background. Hold on. Baby blue, just like this one. No, darker shade of blue, and then drag the logo of tongue tips here. Make sure that the logo image file fits with the workspace, just like this. And then we're going to upload some more. Go to downloads and then upload these segments that we're going to animate, just like this. And then all we have to do now is to duplicate it. Right click, duplicate page. Let's insert all of the elements starting from E, the last segment, just like this. And then at the fourth, make sure that the dimensions of the images fit with the dimensions of the workspace or the canvas, just like this one. And then maybe like let's shorten the size down. So click on the first one and then hold the shift key so that, you know, looks like this pretty much. And then for the second one, do the same, hold the shift key, drag the right part of the image. For the third, the fourth, and the last, you don't need it. So afterwards, duplicate it. Duplicate the page. Click on it, right click, duplicate page, and then afterwards you simply drag every element's segments to the left, just like this, until all of the elements for the segment are not visible, just like this. So there you go. The secret to you know, moving all of the segments is that, you know, like we head over to the, you know, to the middle of the two pages, and then we click on add transition, and then we click on match and move, just like this, and then we extend the duration, and then if we play it, excellent, all of the segments are all moving, just like this. And then we can extend the size of the, you know, the last page, just like this. Fancy, isn't it? That's the secret on how you can, you know, move all of the segments which contain hidden letters and symbols, and then when they get dragged to the right, they are shown. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.